Hello there. Next up, we have a fun one. I'm really glad this one came up. It is rhenium. Rhenium is, bar none, the rarest non-radioactive metal in the Earth's crust, period. It comes in at 0.0000007% of the Earth's crust, or 7 parts in 10 billion. Only about 47 tons of rhenium are extracted per year. To put that in perspective, that would be a density cube of about 49.87 inches to a side. To put that further into perspective, about 3,100 tons of gold are extracted per year. Rhenium is incredibly rare. It is a member of Group 7, along with manganese, technetium, and the synthetic element bohrium. As with many of its neighbors, rhenium has both an extremely high melting point and an extremely high boiling point. It melts at 5,767 degrees Fahrenheit, and it boils at 10,170 degrees Fahrenheit. It's one of the densest metals known to exist, topped only by platinum, iridium, and osmium. It comes in at a whopping 21.04 grams per cubic centimeter. It is also extremely hard, with a Mohs hardness of 7. Rhenium really is a beautiful metal. And it's not nearly as expensive as you might expect. While rhodium, the only stable metal to rival rhenium in its rarity, goes for almost $20,000 an ounce at the time of this video, rhenium goes for about $1,300 per kilogram. That's a spot price for raw rhenium, however. Given how hard it is to get it to form any kind of a shape, given its hardness and extremely high melting point, getting a cube like that will cost a significant premium over the spot price. Rhenium is in many ways a victim of its own scarcity. While it has many useful properties, metals like tantalum and tungsten are far more common and share many of these properties, so rhenium finds very little use in everyday life. It is sometimes added to alloys of other metals. It's used in electrical contacts due to resistance to corrosion and wear. That's about it, though. If they ever do discover something that needs rhenium specifically for it to work, the supply would be eaten up so quickly that whatever it was would only be accessible to the extremely wealthy. But if you're looking for a raw material to speculate on, you could do worse than the rarest stable metal on Earth. # not investment advice. Owing to its rarity, rhenium was the very last non-radioactive element to be discovered. It wasn't discovered until 1925. It, along with technetium, were predicted by Mendeleev. In 1908, Japanese chemist Masataka Ogawa announced that he had discovered element 43 and that it would be named nipponium. Analysis determined the presence of element 75 rather than element 43, so it was not accepted by the scientific community. Element 113 would be named nihonium in a nod to Ogawa's work years down the line. Rhenium was actually discovered in 1925 by 3 German chemists, and it wouldn't be until 1928 that they would actually extract a gram of it. Given how rare it is, rhenium is so incredibly undervalued, and I love that I have some of it. It's so heavy given its size, and it's a beautiful metal. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.